Hello, what's up YouTube? So welcome back to my video again, and today I'm going to show you how to make a text that design in Photoshop look sharp just like in Illustrator. So this is one option, one solution. There will be another way, another solution that I don't know. If you know, you can just comment below. I'm happy to read it, and thanks you for sharing another way to fix something like this. But here's my solution on it. So let's open it up first. So here's my friend's design. He asked me to fix it, so what I'm gonna to do is just press Ctrl R I, or on Mac I will use Command R I. You can use inches or pixel or anything like that, so I'm gonna use pixel, so that is like the common use. Here is a 1080, so it's quite small, so your logo will be just like that. So the pixel is too low, your design will be just like that. And what I'm gonna to do is just change this to be more than that. Like like you can choose it to be like 10,000 or things like that if you want the really sharp logo or text. Just increase it more, but you need to keep in mind that your design will get heavy after you change this. And this is how you change the pixel per inches. So you don't want to change this, just change this one, accept to you. So now let's get back to like 100 pixel per inches. How about that? It's a bit higher, but also a great quality. Okay, so just click OK and it will do its work. So here's after we changing it, just like that, see? So now if you just close the background and export it, your logo will be sharp. In a smaller screen or a big screen, it will sharp. So now I'm gonna do it. Control Shift S or Command Shift S, and I will put it in my desktop and just save it, and yeah, as a PNG file. So here is the file, and as you can see it's more sharper. Even it's not really sharp like the Illustrator, but it will help you sometime, I guess. Yeah, but the best way to design things like this is in Illustrator. So this is just my tips on this, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next